Today we have dividing into hot topic, common beginning mistakes in UI and UX design and how to dodge them like a pro. Whenever you are just starting out or need refresher, stick around, this one is for you. Let's start with a big one. Mistake 1. Overcomplicating everything. We have all been there trying to make our design look fancy and ending up with something that's look like a unicorn explode on the screen. But here's the deal. Simplicity builds trust. Studies shows that users are more likely to trust clean, simple information. The more complex the language or visuals, the less credible it feels. So how do we fix this? Keep your copy simple. Even if you are not UX writer, you are responsible for the clarity. Think of it as a designing with words. Ditch the funky fonts. If it takes your user 5 seconds to figure out what that cursive monstrosity says, they have already lost the trust. Mistake number 2. Ignoring contrast. You might think low contrast is aesthetic, but your users are probably squinting at the screen, wondering if you are hiding a secret message. Low contrast, low trust. And trust me, that doesn't just affect accessibility. Shout out to VCHG. It impacts conversion too. Pro tip, test your design in a great scale. If it looks like a blur mess, your contrast is off. You can always use plugin to support you, like Contrast, link in the description below. Mistake 3. Overcomplicating colors and fonts. A rocket designer walks into project with 10 fonts, 12 colors, and one confusing metaphor that only make sense to them. Here's the thing, your users doesn't care how creative your choices are. They just want to complete their task. Stick to 2-3 fonts max. Use colors sparingly, let them guide users, no overwhelm them. Save the craziest metaphors for your personal blog or portfolio. Mistake number 4. Ignoring the user's goals. Here the harsh truth. Your users doesn't care about your design. They care about solving the problems as quickly as painless as possible. Instead of designing for what looks cool, ask yourself, does this make your user's journey easier? Remember, good design feels invisible. It helps user accomplish their goals without them even noticing. Mistake number 5. Skipping usability testing. Look, we get it. You have worked hard on your design, you have spending hours perfecting every pixel, but then you skip usability testing because, well, I know my users. Really check you are not your users. You might think your navigation is intuitive, but Karen from accounting just click about us 3 times trying to find the checkout page. How to fix it? Test with the real users early and often. Even if you are on a budget, grab a friend, coworker, or random person in a cafe shop to give it a go. Watch them interact with your design and don't exploit it. If they confuse, your design isn't clear enough. Remember, a polished design without usability testing is like a shining car with no engine. It might look great, but it's not going anywhere. Oh, and before you go, I hope you had much fun watching as I did make it. Be sure to check out the channel for more awesome content. I am Przemysław, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you like it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. That's all for today's video. Let's learn together. Until next time, keep it simple and keep it smart.